Good morning. Today I will talk about what is ECCE, that is Early Childhood Care and Education. Early childhood care refers to the period between birth and 8 years of life. The widely used term Early Childhood Care and Education ECCE refers to a range of processes and mechanisms that sustain and support development during the early years of life. It encompasses education, physical, social, and emotional care, intellectual stimulation, health care, and nutrition. It also includes the support a family and community need to promote children health development. UNESCO says early childhood care and education (ECCE) is more than preparation for primary school. It aims at the holistic development of a child's social, emotional, cognitive, and physical needs in order to build a solid and broad foundation for lifelong learning and well-being. ECC has the possibility to nurture caring, capable, and responsible future citizens. The term ECCA is known as Early Childhood Care and Development (ECCD), like Early Childhood Development (ECD), Early Childhood Education (ECE), Early Childhood Education Care and Development, that is ECECD, and Early Childhood Education and Development. Especially Asian countries, we know ECCE as a different name. European Commission talks about ECC as early education ensures free, integral, and harmonious development of the child's personality according to his rhythm and needs. The education provided has to ensure the differentiated stimulation of children, aiming the intellectual, emotional, social, and physical development of each child and targeting to achieve the following result of early education from birth 6 to 8-year old. First, the free, integral, and harmonious development of the child's personality according to his own pace and general needs, supporting his autonomous and creative training. Second, development of the capacity to interact with other children, with adults, and with the environment to acquire new knowledge, skills, attitudes, and behaviors. Encouraging exploration, exercises, tests, and experiments as autonomous learning experiences. Third point, the discovery by each child of his or her own identity and autonomy and the development of a positive self-image. Fourth point, supporting the child in the acquisition of knowledge, abilities, skills, and attitude required for his school entry and throughout life. European Commission focuses on all activities with young children should respect child's right to play. Viewed as a form of activity, method, procedure, and means of achieving educational approaches at early ages, as well as a method of stimulating the capacity and creativity of the child as a right of him and as an opening to freedom to choose according to his or her own needs. ARNEC in 2010 mentioned about ECCE, we need to focus on physical health and motor development, social and emotional development, moral and spiritual development, cognition and general knowledge, most important, language development. We need to focus on arts and creativity. We need to focus on approaches towards learning. Thank you so much. These resources I have taken from UNESCO and European Commission.